Okay, so the question is how to connect your Roku TV to the Wi-Fi without a remote. You got two real options here. I mean, there's a couple other options, but they're a little bit more in depth, and they require that the Roku TV already have been connected to the Wi-Fi in the past. And then there's a lot of stuff that you don't want to do. Simplest solution, right? Go buy a new remote and then set it up. Other than that, you're not actually going to connect to the Wi-Fi. You're going to connect to the router. So you take your Cat 5, plug her into the back of the router, put your router back up where she needs to be, and then we're going to plug it into the TV. Alright, then you're going to plug your Cat 5 right into the TV, which this one's connector is right here on the bottom, really dark back there. So once that's done, she's connected. Now you take your Roku or your mobile device out that has the Roku app installed on it. You hit devices, and well, this one's actually through the Wi-Fi, this one's through the LAN, which is what we just did. We just hardwired it. So now she's connected. The phone can see her. Awesome. And now we can go to remote. Oops, sorry. And of course, now we can control the TV. Volume. Everything. Right there. Working just fine. Hope that helps you out. If it does, be sure to like the video. It really helps the channel with the YouTube algorithm, and well, helps us help more people.